Okay, folks, get ready for this because today we are going deep,
Deep.
diving deep into
Wow.
computer efficiency, like deep, deep,
Yeah.
and you sent me these basic computer shortcut instructions.
Yeah.
And just reading through them, I feel like I'm already a productivity ninja over here.
Yeah, right.
Who'd have-
Totally. It's amazing
Just
how much we just take our digital tools for granted.
Right.
Really do.
It's true.
I mean, we're so used to just clicking and dragging our way through tasks, but honestly, a few keyboard shortcuts is all it takes. You can
Mhm.
unlock a whole new
Level. Yeah.
speed.
Zanny.
Yes. It's true.
It's true. Okay, let's get
Let's get down to it.
Specifics.
All right, one that stood out to me was the zoom function
Oh, yeah.
with the control key and the mouse scroll wheel.
Ah.
You know, we've all been there.
I know.
Scrolling through a massive spreadsheet or document,
much.
constantly clicking those little zoom buttons.
Yeah. I mean, talk about a pain.
I know, it's like
But holding down control while you scroll
while you scroll. Yeah.
is like zooming in and out becomes like butter.
It's so smooth.
Smooth as go.
It's like, you know, it's funny because that smooth zooming
Yeah.
isn't just about convenience.
Right.
It's a great example of UI design
Oh, really?
in action. Like, there's actually a principle called Fitts Law.
Fits the law.
Fitts Law.
Okay.
And it basically says that the time it takes to reach something on your screen depends on the distance to the target and its size.
Interesting.
So by using control plus scroll,
Okay.
you're minimizing that distance your mouse has to travel
Right.
to those tiny little zoom buttons, making the whole interaction faster
Gotcha.
and more efficient.
So we're working smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
I like it. But okay, so learning all these shortcuts,
Yeah.
I mean, wouldn't that be a micro frustration
Yeah.
in itself?
That's a valid point.
I mean, how many can we realistically remember?
You know, I think the key is to start with shortcuts
Okay.
that address like your biggest pain points or the tasks you do most often.
Right.
Speaking of which, there's another gem in these instructions. Using Alt plus Tab
Oh, yeah.
to quickly switch between open windows.
Oh, that one's a lifesaver.
I know, right?
Especially when you're like juggling a million things at once.
Oh my gosh, yes.
No more clicking through a million tabs.
A million tabs, exactly.
So I got to ask, is there a logic
Yeah.
to these shortcuts?
Yeah.
Or are they just like random key combinations?
No, there's definitely a method to the madness.
Okay.
Like take, for example,
Yeah.
Control T to open a new browser tab.
Right.
The T intuitively stands for tab,
Right.
you know?
That makes sense.
So it makes it easy to remember.
Yeah.
Good shortcuts often have these mnemonic connections,
That's
making them easier for our brains to latch onto.
It's all starting to click now.
Yeah.
It's like a secret code
It is.
to unlock computer mastery.
I like that. That's a great way to think about it.
Yeah.
And the more you use these shortcuts, the more they'll become second nature.
Right.
It's like muscle memory.
Like muscle memory for your fingers.
for your fingers, exactly.
Well, I'm ready.
Oh.
I'm ready to put these into practice.
Awesome.
I mean, it's one thing to hear about them,
yeah,
but actually integrating them into your workflow,
that's right.
that's where the magic happens.
That's where the magic happens. You got it.
Right.
Absolutely. It's like anything else.
Yeah.
Knowledge is only powerful
Right.
when you put it into action,
When you use it.
when you use it.
Okay, so for you listening,
Yeah,
here's the challenge.
right.
Pick one or two of these shortcuts
Or one or two
that resonate with you
that really speak to you.
and commit to using them
Yes.
consistently
Flip Hummer Week.
for a week.
I love it.
You might be surprised how much smoother your
Ugh.
digital life feels.
For sure. And here's something to ponder. As you embark on this shortcut journey,
All right, I'm ready.
what other tasks on your computer feel clunky or inefficient?
That's a good question.
Maybe there's a shortcut out there waiting to be discovered.
Uh,
Or maybe you could even invent your
So-
own clever workaround.
Wow.
The possibilities are endless.
That's amazing.
Right.
Food for thought.
Food for thought.
I love it. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
See you next time.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.